Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial of Raspberry Pi 4. So if you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe. So before starting with the tutorial, like I wanna let you know like what is Raspberry Pi or what is IoT or what is Arduino. If you don't know, like if you know, you can skip to next tutorial and it will really help if you will just stay in this tutorial. So what is Raspberry Pi 4? So Raspberry Pi 4 is just a simple processor. Like you can see, it's some normal motherboard. If you can like see it, it's a normal motherboard, nothing else. So what we do, we just code into it, like we just send our code, whether it's in Python or embedded C or C++, we just run our code in this and we can control different things. Like let me just show you an example. Suppose this is my laptop, like you can see. Okay, so this is my laptop. I have a motherboard inside it, so you know they have a motherboard inside it. And from that motherboard only, like we have controlling screen, keyboards and my mouse, everything. So the same thing is with the Raspberry Pi 4. Like we just add a light here or some sensor, so and we add a button here, so we'll just click the button and the light will all. So the same way in the laptop, like we press suppose enter, the screen light just get on. If like and the same thing, like we press the power button, the it will start running. The same thing is this also, but this is just in a small piece. Like it's like for a small thing, it can control do only small thing, but this is for big thing. So the next question, there are different motherboards, like maybe hundreds and thousands of motherboards. So they everything has their purpose. Like but Raspberry Pi 4 is basically very famous because it's easy to learn and it's basically made for do it yourself. Like you can just do whatever you feel like and it's easy to run, so that's why it's pretty famous. So see, this is my remote control. Okay, so this may be also having Raspberry Pi 4 or something, and any motherboard, I don't know which motherboard they are using, so they are also using any motherboard. So inside this we just told, like when you press, this key, the player, like the game player should move forward. So same way we'll just code here and there will be different sensors we'll just attach. I'll just let you know everything, where to buy Raspberry Pi 4 and where not to, and this is how you see. Let me just show you one more example. This is my mobile or smartphone. This also have a motherboard. So and we control it like our system with this only, like system I mean smartphone. So that's the way everything works. So sometimes the motherboard is really small, sometimes it's big. And this is Arduino is also like this, but it's less powerful, less, because it's made for different things, like small things, like maybe just controlling lights and all that stuff. But this is made for like big things, like you can control uh, face recognition, camera and different thing, multiple things. Now the next question comes, what is IoT? So IoT, just like this is a processor or motherboard, or basically you can take any motherboard like this, or there are hundreds and thousands of motherboards. So suppose this is a motherboard and we just connect it to the Wi-Fi, and it's like connected to the Wi-Fi. And whatever like suppose we attached a camera, so whenever we like what do I say, I have made an application in my Android phone. So whenever I click like capture photo, so it should capture a photo. This is what is IoT, that's Internet of Things. Like I can control it with my internet only. That's the only thing. Like suppose it has a bulb, so I'll just maybe I'm having an application, I'll just click on, so the bulb should on. I'll just let you know every encoding, then that'll be little simple for you. That's the thing. Okay, the next thing, what is Raspberry Pi 4? Like there are different version, like Pi 1, Pi 0, Pi 3, Pi 4. So like the iPhone 4, iPhone 5, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now it's 12 also. So yeah, that's the way they are much more upgraded, and this is 4. So I'll just show you like where to buy and all that stuff, and the sensors also. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.